I show you the sound setting. First is car setting. All the car settings you can choose in my system. And the steering wheel control, you can see here lots of the choice here. The radio navigation you can use on your steering wheel control. And it's for sound. For example, first, the 3D surround, it can choose and bass. And third is subwoofer, connect with the subwoofer, and it can use this frequency and the gain. And we have very professional users, very environments, classic stand purpose. Also, we have the sound frequency setting is 11, very professional sound. Again, for your device.